it's me again, Ron Villaflor. So today we have a 2020 Toyota Hi-Ace Commuter Deluxe. So without further ado, let's go start up, let it run. It comes with your silver exterior with your garnish black accent on it in your side mirror. Got their one-tone design, plastic materials. Got their seat adjustment and your seat position over there, and your recliner. Got their pockets right there. Just make sure it's on neutral. It's a 6-speed manual transmission, so gonna have to press the clutch and start up. Fires right up. So before we check the interior, let's go ahead and check the exterior first by turning on the headlights and hazards. All windows are electrically powered. All the driver's side windows automatic up and down. Okay. Got their big body right there. Got their silver accents. Your Toyota badge. You can also put your fog lights if you want it. Got their rear wiper and your third brake light. Got their tail light. So let's pop the hood.
Yung kabila. Yan.
Got their 2.8 liter turbo diesel engine, 1 GD. Comes with a 176 horsepower, 3,400 RPM, and transmission availables are 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic, and fuel tank capacity is 70 liters. So let's check the interior. Comes with the retractable side mirrors. Got our left and right. Okay, got lock and lock, window locks, windows. Turn on the AC cause it's very hot. Got their for the AC, for the back. Got their switches right there. Got their 5-speed manual. Just press here to reverse. The steering wheel is similar to the Toyota Fortuner and Innova models. Got their slots right there, your conditioning, cup holder, and another cup holder there. No vanity mirror. Got their cup holders, and this is actually, you can take two passengers in here because this is a commuter variant. Here's the back. Got their room right there. Just press it. Got their gauge. It's very basic. Your tachometer, your kilometers per hour, fuel gauge, temperature gauge, your kilometers. There you go. Let's check out the radio. It's kind of good. Got your basic controls, your Bluetooth, your auxiliary, your CD slot right here, your on and off, any mode. There you go. You got your temperature gauge, you got your fan speed, different zones, slots right there, and your AC speed. You can also go at this. So let's go ahead and shut off the vehicle. And check out the exterior. Check out the back. It's very spacious. You can also do this by removing this lever right there, and also here got their matting. Again, this is a commuter deluxe variant. You can also twist like that. So let's close it up. It's very hard in one hand. Got their jack right there. So let's hop in. This is a 12-seater van. Love the interior. It's pretty basic. It's pretty premium and good design on it, in my own personal opinion. Got their vents right there. There's no switch, but actually it's there. It's here. Very nice van. Got your 6-speed manual and your clutch there, gas, brake, and clutch. Also your pockets in the door sidings. inside. Love this van. This is the best-selling vans right here in the Philippine market. You can actually do this and to go to the back just like that. Windows, small storage, cup holders, and their small pockets. Got just like a two-tone, but this is a plastic materials, SRS airbags. Got their 12 volts power outlet. This is a aftermarket dash cam. This is the original one. Got your handle. Hope you guys enjoy. So, see you guys in the next one. This is Ron Villaflor TV. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.